Nabuna enjira eyemo yogoikerania umuroberio bwokogenda ekerero nigo mubisomo na sebizari obwerani bwamangana naboigo emangana yekerero Steven Isaboke haraire umuroberio bwokorata elabia chi computer chekerero ime ESUKURU yokwena na maigerio yobubundi ya Kisii ase umuroberio omanyakanete buna Jitume digital uyora GOKONYA ABASAE wetane chiribu isato habo banyorete chibesa cyumuroberio onyota wenyorra emirimo gwetera ase enjira yemitandao nonye nechinse chisco nigo bono hatebire echini chingaki chamagendro korenta bosicho korenta amagendro korende tali chingaki cha siasa muri kitopetu el machini agotumanyia senchire weekend.
Excellency in 3 2 1
Neritikeri marioka maiga yumuraibwenso moskwira mruto wo igorabene omoroberi gogochaki gokwenanwa wechibesa chikigancha kianyota uchia ABASAE eri gochaki obonchoria ame county ya Kisii.
His Excellency the President was actually here yesterday to launch the Nyota capital disbursement project, where he actually pressed the button, and the beneficiaries for Kisii County, who are about 3,820, and for the 3 counties that were here, which also includes Migori and Nyamira, who are about 8,800, all got 25,000. That was split between 22,000 going into Poch La Biashara of the individuals that benefited, another 3,000 each going into savings. So I came to join the President and all the other government officials to witness that event.
Itskurero mwabiso manene asamangani obwerania nobotumeki bwekerero Steven Isaboke nganyakaboga kuigura bene omoroberio Jitume digital hapo ime ESUKURU yokwena na mumaigerio yobubundi ya Kisii ABASAE wetane chiminye barachkunyako bakonyora maigerio ye computer ile banyako bakorige mirimo asinchero yekerero.
One of the 5 pillars of the current 5th administration of President William Ruto is actually digital superhighway and creative economy. That digital superhighway had a national target and a local implementation expectation. Nationally, we were targeted to roll out 100,000 kilometers of cable and also open digital hubs in 1,450 of the county ward rep level across the country. And in addition to that, His Excellency the President also committed 25,000 free Wi-Fi again across the country.
Komente nayo nigo Isaboke nyakaboga kubeka teneni mirobiri ya serikali begete nsemo yokwena kinga internet ngo cherko nyakaboge kubekwa eri ko robya obokorrio bwo.
In Kisii County, the best example, because sometimes you talk and people say but we haven't seen it. The best example is the Jitume center here that we were in. This center has got 100 computers. This center processes shifts of 100 students per shift, and shifts can be anything 2 to 4 hours, and in a day they can shift maybe 3 to 4 shifts in a day. And what I'm told now from the center manager, those are numbers I'm given, they've trained nearly 380, almost 400 students who have actually learned and graduated.
Asibono nyakaboga kuboria serikali chonsi kubwaterana na kubeka siasa nsemo eri gwikirania magendero agocha saba na inchi anenemo ime county ya Kisii.
Tobaito tomente ini omorembe tomente ini nobotohereru ingaki yabono iga ningaki amaendero ngaki yabono iga taringa kia siasa aba mwakwana bagojotena mwana ichikura mbaje batangase ngaki yo bono iga tulisa poli turige limono mono tokonya abana baita ABASAE baito na rugusina barabange tokonya abantu baito toreta magendero amagendero yagocha by combination ya county government na national government ko tegera koranga mbintu kikabera konya abantu baito kama magendero beire kanga kia siasa goika na abantu bari batete gotena na babatena because ense ite democratic.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kurasi ESUKURU yokwena na maigerio yobubundi ya Kisii ime county ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin.